and you have installed the Facebook Pixel Helper?
Okay, I haven't. If you
No.
want, like I can stop.
Pixel Helper.
Yeah, I guess
It's
it's
already
already
there.
installed.
Okay, so this is the Pixel ID. Okay, the next thing, let me go to events.
If you scroll down, you will see that it is tracking like page view, but no add to cart. It is like initiate checkout, but like no purchase. They haven't like.
No, so basically, like according to me, your conversion tracking is not properly set. So that's what I want to see, that if your conversion tracking is added properly.
Mhm.
Because Pixel is installed, now we need to check if basically the conversion tracking is installed. Here, so you can see there is no conversion tracking here. We need
So
to
how
install
can
the
you do
conversion.
that?
So I am just doing that. So first of all, this one, track a URL, and your Facebook language is in Hindi. So this one will be the view content option. So view content. Okay, the next one is what is basically the add to cart. We try to create or add something. So like this button. Yes, so here again you can see there is no conversion tracking here. So that's the issue basically. So this is the checkout page, right?
Okay. So okay. So where should I put like which button I track? Because like I'm a little confused. So shall I track this like PayPal and debit and credit card? Because people clicking on this button after filling the details will be going to thank you page, will be making the payment.
Okay, so basically like these are both ones are, you can say, the checkout buttons, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I am adding the both buttons as a checkout ones. And you select the checkout because these are in Hindi language.
Okay. It's like checkout. Shall I do I
No
have to
value.
add the
No, no,
or
not at.
okay.
No need. Okay,
So
then next, for going to the next page, can you add some details here or something so that we can go to the next step?
Okay,
Because the
we
main tracking
can't
is the
we can't
purchase tracking.
we can't go to next page directly because like I have to pay because like it's a live page. So let me open that page 1 second. And Faisal, how long you have been running Facebook ad?
It's almost 7+ years since 2017.
Okay, okay. So this is the next page that is like thank you page.
So this link always be the same link or the other ones?
Which
The
see
URL
like
above.
thank you the URL will be same,
URL
but
will be
like just
same.
like order number and details might change like
That's fine. I just want to make sure the URL is same because I am going to put the tracking on the URL option.
okay. Okay, if you can tell me like where to change the language so I can change the language if it will, I guess it will be easier for you.
From the Facebook settings, you need to do that, but just 1 minute.
Okay. No, because I use like even ads manager and Facebook in English. I don't know why it is coming in.
So because you are first of all sending them to PayPal page, and on the PayPal we don't have any pixel there, so we cannot track there. But just as an example, if we have any tracking on the payment page where they are adding their payment like PayPal or anything, then we can track them. Otherwise, there is no way to like track them. Okay. Okay. So this is the payment, right? Payment detail. Okay. So the purchase
Uh,
one, you can select. I
check
think
out
this one.
your Khadari. Yes, this is that is for like putting the value for like
Yes. Yes. So this total amount, right? This will be the value.
not
That it.
that anyway you can put that like it's different now. I don't know why it is not updated. So currently it's like $17.99.
Okay. So from Pixel, you need to go to this settings button and then scroll down to event setup. And from
Okay.
event setup, you need to add this one. the URL, the final
my
URL
website
here.
link or the page link.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. Open the website,
Mm-hmm.
and now because we have the tracking set up, so it will show with that tracking as well. The pop-up will appear here. So this pop-up, and you can simply click on edit button, and this one, click on change, and then whatever the just example, if I want to
Okay,
select
so
this one, so
values,
this.
so we can select that and change that. Okay, okay, understood.
Okay, so that's the done, and this is fine now. So what is the basically the next thing that you want to discuss? So we can
Okay,
also discuss.